Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys of storing soup in the fridge. So guys can see this my egusi that I prepare and portion it, and see the way I portion it. Portion it like this, put it in your freezer to be easy for your children to pick it and microwave it or bring it out so that it will melt. The only thing they will do, wash the vegetable, ugu leaf, and put it inside the soup. Put any type of meat you want inside the soup. Then you do your food, you swallow. Then you begin eat your food. It's just a simple menu. It's not hard. Prepare your egusi with vegetable or ogbono. Then tie it like this with nylon. Put it in the freezer. Let it block. Even though light no dey, for sometimes you go see how your soup go dey safe. So and e go easy for your children too to pick one and take prepare fufu for their self. Even though you travel, even though you go to the market or shop, you won't care because soup is in the fridge already. So just a simple menu. Please share this video if you like it and comment for it. Subscribe to my channel. You see more of my video. Thanks for watching. Please, we see again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.